Hi, this quick video is going to talk about some of the features of the Silverlight web page that you're trying to reach or have questions about. The first one is obviously the sign-in page, where your username and password are both case sensitive. More than likely you've already gotten past this page, hence the website page help, which basically is a link to this video. The first button in the upper right hand corner allows you to pick a different base map. Currently it's set at an aerial image base map, but you can easily change this. I can change this to topographic base map, like Gray Canvas, Topo map. Changing the base maps will actually help because sometimes some of the features are hidden by use of an aerial base map. The second button is Map Contents. If I click on this, this basically gives me a table of contents. If I expand these options, I can turn on and off different features. Just because I turn on some of the features and I don't see them doesn't necessarily mean they don't exist. I may have to pan to figure out exactly where they are. As I turn off the master data set, I can turn on some of the other features. Down below you'll see this hatching pattern, and it says that's 96%, and that's basically how long it takes to kind of redraw. The second time I turn this on, it'll be much quicker because it'll load it up in cache. As I can see, I can go ahead and pan through. I see that it's at 97%. I'll wait for a little bit for these peak month counts to show up, and then when I click on the peak month counts, I'll get a pop-up window. This pop-up window will give me all that information related to that one item. If you ever run into an exclamation mark here, that means that the layer for some reason did not load properly. Please contact the person who's hosting the site or myself, Zach Henderson at LSA Associates. Once you're done with the table of contents and you've turned on and off the different features that you want to see on your map, the next feature, specifically related to the project closure site, is the time option site, or the time slider, which is currently grayed out. What you have to do is you have to highlight the construction traffic routes. Once you have this highlighted, now I can go ahead and click on the time slider option. This allows me to see different week look-aheads. And so if I wanted to see several weeks into the future, I could, or if I wanted to kind of basically go kind of on a week-by-week progression, I could see how different closures are occurring at different times. This is all completely database driven, so if I wanted to show everything, I can do that. I can then go back to a specific week. It's set up for week-to-week operations. The fourth tool is just basically a measure bar. It allows you to pick a line, polygon, a circle. For right now, we're just going to go ahead and pick a line. And so I can real quickly get kind of an estimated of however many meters or feet. If I wanted to change the units, I can easily change the unit to feet or miles. So now the next time I go ahead, and if I wanted to see how long something is from something, I double click, and I can see that's 2.4 miles. These windows are floatable, so I can go ahead and close them at any time and then bring them up. The last button on here are a series of bookmarks. If you ever are kind of zoomed off into a specific area and you want to kind of get back, you can go to the Port of Long Beach overview. Other bookmarks focus on certain areas that have been predefined that are important to Port of Long Beach staff. Obviously, these bookmarks can be expanded to as many as you need. And hopefully that gives you all the information about the buttons up on the right hand corner and kind of some of the functionality of this Silverlight website. If you have any questions, again, please don't hesitate to email me at zac.henderson, HENDERSON, at lsa-assoc.com. Thank you.